Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to be looking at Unit 7, Lesson 4. We're going to be looking to find the missing values for equivalent ratios. Now, in these examples, we put the ratios into fraction form. I find it easier because we've already, learned and practiced equivalent fractions, so it kind of sticks in your mind. All right, so to do that, we have to figure out how, let me get my pen. It's not working. How 1 turned into 5. Well, what times 1 equals 5? Well, 1 times 5 equals 5. Now remember, if you're multiplying, the number's going to get bigger. Okay, you're going to need to know that for later. So if I multiply by 5 at the top, I also have to multiply by 5 at the bottom, because equivalent means I did the same to both the top and the bottom, both parts of the ratio. So 4 times 5 is 20. Good job. All right, let's look at this next one. 3 times what equals 24? Well, I know 3 times 8. So we're going to come up here and we're going to say 7 times 8 is 56. Good job. Now, remember when I said if you multiply, the numbers get bigger? Well, in this case, the number has to get smaller. So instead of multiplying, we are now dividing. Okay? 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So I'm going to do the same down here. I'm going to divide by 4. 40 divided by 4 is 10. Great job. Oh, that's a bad 10. Okay, here we go. Let me erase my screen. I don't know what's all over it. Okay, so now it's your turn to try. I want you to pause the video and I want you to try these 3 problems. Then I want you to come back and see if you got them correct. Okay, for 12, you should have said 5 times 2 is 10. Now, we're going backwards. We're making it smaller, right? This way made it bigger, so this way. So if I multiplied by 2, I have to divide now by 2 because, so 18 divided by 2 is 9. So think about it. 9 times 2 became 18. If I went from 10 to 5, I would have divided. All right, so here we go. We're going from 2 to 14, right? So we could say 2 times 7. So 5 times 7 equals 35. Okay. Going from 15 to 45 is times 3. So 8 times 3 is 24. Great job. That is the end of the small little lesson, Unit 7, Lesson 4. Go ahead and head back to Classcraft and continue on your pathways, and I'll see you back for Unit 7, Lesson 5.